In this program on fire extinguishers, we have shown the classification and rating system used for extinguishers, the various types of extinguishers and how they extinguish different classes of fires, basic steps for operating handheld extinguishers, how to use some of the most common types of extinguishers, and basic extinguisher inspection and maintenance requirements. Portable fire extinguishers come in many shapes, sizes, and types. Fire extinguishers often provide the most rapid response to a small fire. Your knowledge of how to select and use portable extinguishers correctly may make the difference between an incipient stage fire stopped while it's still incipient or one that grows into a major fire with more serious consequences.